Welcome back. Well, we were talking about Avenue Supermarts, and in that context, Mangalam briefly mentioned Vishal Mega Marts that's coming out with an issue, the 8,000 crore OFS. Mangalam, tell us more about that.
There is a fair amount of excitement. It's an almost $1 billion offer for sale, which is coming in, opens today, closes on December 13th. You'd be like, why is it that it's 8,000 crores and none of that money is going into the company itself? The promoters, Samayat Services and Kedara Capital, bearing some stake, they've said that they don't need the capital. They have about 700 crore of cash on their books, and all of that would be funded internally itself when it comes to their store expansion. It is a diversified retailer present across India. They have 645 stores, around 414 odd cities. What's interesting is that, two things which stand out. Their revenue mix. 75% comes in from general merchandise as well as apparel, which is high gross margin. So their gross margins are around that 20% mark. And importantly, 73% of their overall revenue comes in from their own private label as well. So these are factors that the management believes will stay steady going forward. And that explains why their EBITDA margins have been in the range of around that 13.5% to 15.5% over the last 3 years as well. The revenues of the company have compounded between 24 to 25% over the last 3 years, as has the EBITDA margin stayed stable, the net profit as a result of which has also grown. The question is, how much are they asking for what they are giving? The valuation. At the higher end of the issue price, they're seeking a market cap a little over 35,000 odd crores. Given the kind of profit growth estimates that the street is making on this, it could be anywhere around 55 to 56 times 1 year forward earnings. Compares with D-Mart, V-Mart and Trent, anywhere between 80 to 110 times. Remember, they have left some value on the table, but going forward, double-digit same-store sales growth and double-digit store additions with margins being maintained is something that we'll most definitely keep an eye out on.
Okay, Mangalam, thanks a lot.